Let me ask you a quick question to you guys that how many years have you been learning English? 1 year, 3 year, or might be 5 year. But yet, whenever you speak, when someone speak to you in English language, you get fumble, you feel hesitation, you feel underconfident, you cannot speak. So this is what happened with you. This kind of problems you guys are facing. I know that. So that is why I have made this video, and this is really going to help you a lot if you want to watch this video. Absolutely. Today I'm not going to teach you English. I'm going to change your mindset about English, that how you think about the English. And if you're going to watch it, absolutely, you're going to understand it, that how to do it. At the end of this video, I'm going to suggest the framework, that what kind of framework as well you have to follow it. So watch this video till the end. I meet many students. They say to me, Aman, that I know English, I can understand English, but I cannot speak, I cannot communicate with the people. This is my problem. And I say to them one thing, that your problem is not your English. Your problem is your method. And if you want to learn anything, if you're learning English specially, you need to have the proper method. You need to have the good method, that how to learn it easily and perfectly. That's what you need to guys also understand. At the end, I'm going to talk about the framework. What is the best framework? What is the best method which you can apply and you can improve your English? But there is one thing is very important, the mindset. If you don't know the proper mindset, if you are not aware about it, so you cannot learn English. You're going to, I mean, you are going to leave at the end. Okay, this is the thing. The mindset is very important. To pay attention to this my video, and this mostly is topic. I mean, the mindset. Then after all that, you can go to the framework. Okay, I'm going to talk about the framework. That what kind of things you need to do for practicing. Okay, let me tell you one thing, that to be honest, you cannot master your English in 30 days. But I can give you one guarantee, guys, that in 30 days you can speak English confidently. And the confidence is matter. Once your confidence comes, the game is totally changed. Okay, for the confident you have to be consistent. If you go to a player, if you go to any player who's the famous cricketer, you will ask one question to them. If you will ask one question to them, that why are you so confident, they say to you one thing, that I do practice, that's why. Do you do practice? Absolutely not. You don't know that how to do practice. That is the proper, that is the thing, how you can do practice. So the practice is very, very important. You have to first of all understand that consistency is very, very important, and the practice is very important. If you do the both thing, okay, with the consistency, then you can do it. If you practice with the consistency, this is really going to work you. That's what you have to understand. Okay. So what do I mean? That once confidence comes, it is going to change. The first initial day it can be very, very difficult for you, but at the end, okay, at the end it will be very, very easy for you. It will be very, very piece of cake for you. So I can say you one thing, that you can speak English, you can speak confidently. Once the confidence comes, you can, like, improve your English in this 30 days. Okay, one more thing that I want to say you, that English is not the subject. Okay, English is a skill, and skills are not learned by the reading book, thousand of books, thousand of watching videos. You cannot learn any skill just by the reading thousand of books. These are the skills. You have to learn it by doing it again and again, over and over. That's what you have to understand. I'm going to give you the practical example. Like if you want to learn swimming, you have to go in a water. You cannot learn the swimming. Do you? Can you learn English by? Can you learn swimming just by the reading books and watching videos? So I want to say you stop watching only video, try to focus on the practice. That's what you have to understand, guys. Okay. You have right now three fears, and fear are enemy. Okay, the first fear is fear of judgment. You always think that what happens if I speak, I mean mistake, if I make mistake. Fear of mistakes you have as well. You have one more fear, that like you always think that what people will think, that if I sound stupid. There are there are three, like fear you have: the fear of judgment, fear of sounding stupid, fear of making mistakes. These are the three fears, and fears are enemy. And for that enemy, you have to just practice. You have to be consistent for the 30 days. That's what you have to understand. Skills, skills, skills. For the skills, you have to practice it every day, over and over. Okay, so at the end, come to the method. Okay, that what kind of methods you need. Before that, I want to say you one thing, guys, that if you want to join my one-to-one session, okay, after 3 to 4 months, again the admission is going to start. If you want to enroll in my session, one-to-one online coaching, so you can message me on this number, and you can start your journey of speaking English. Okay, that's what you can do. You can message me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's come to the method, that what method I'm talking about. The method is 30-20-10 rules. I have already talked about in my previous video, but if you don't know me, if you're watching first time, so understand what is this. Okay, so in this 30 days, what you have to do, that you have to follow the 30-20-10 rules in 30 minutes actually. To be honest, you need only 30 hours. Can you imagine, you need only 30 hours? After all that, you will be very, very confident if you're going to do it. Okay, so the 30 minutes you are going to listen. Whatever you want to listen, whatever you like to listen, listen. Just whatever you like to listen. There are lots of people right now, they are confused that what to listen. But whatever you like, just listen it. Your task is to listen only 30 minutes in English language, whatever you like. Okay, just go ahead and watch it, whatever you like. Ask yourself that what do I like to watch? If it has come to me, so I like to watch podcasts. I like to watch people that how they communicate. So this kind of things, I mean, I do. And you can try right now in these days. You can first of all try that whatever you like to watch. You can try the podcast, you can try the watching story. First of all, you have to find it that which kind of things work for you, whatever you like. Then you can keep continuing this 30 days. Okay, first of all, find it that which one is good for you. For the listening, don't be confused, do not get suggestion from someone else. There are lots of YouTubers says watch this, watch podcast. I would not suggest you. First of all, find the best thing for watching something. Okay, 30-20 rules is that 30-minute listening, 20 minutes 20 minutes speaking, and 10 minute, 10-minute reading. Okay, let's come to the listening. I have cleared the all point about the listening, that you have to find things which is work for you, which is best for you, whichever you like. Okay, that's what you have to do. 20 minutes is speaking. Might be you are saying to me that what, how I can speak. But yeah, bro, you have to first of all start speaking as well from the first day. It's okay, you can be fumble, you can make mistake. It's okay, you have to say your mind that I'm right now learning, I cannot be perfect, I cannot speak perfectly. This is reality, you have to understand it. And from first day you have to speak. Don't worry that what to speak, just speak with the people. And if you don't have partner, I know there are lots of students, there are lots of, I mean, people here, they don't have partner. For that, I already have made one WhatsApp group. Just open my link, open my description box. Okay, you will get one WhatsApp link. You can join over there, you can communicate. There are lots of people, they communicate with each other every day. Go there and you can join as well. And 10 minutes for the reading. Actually, for the reading, you have to find the things, little articles, small things. Don't read the book, I'm not saying you to start reading book. Find the small things for the reading and read it. That's what you have to keep consistency 30 days. And after 30 days, absolutely you will be, like, if you will uh, keep consistent this 30 days, you're going to give me a thanks after 1 month. You're going to come back in my video and you're going to comment that thanks to a month. You're going to do it. Okay, if you're going to keep consistent this thing. Okay, so you have to stick in the three basic things. That's what I have shared with you in this video. That's what you need to do it. Okay, and I have shared all this thing, the mindset, the thing you have to keep continue every day. You have to keep consistent with everything. Speaking is also important part, reading is also very important part, and listening is most necessary part. You have to take it every day. That's what you need to understand for the learning English in this 30 days. Okay, this is all about this video. If you like that video, do not give the thumb of this video and comment that. If you're going to accept this challenge, just comment day one and start it. That's what you can do. Thank you so much for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.